and transfer it to Manila to, what do you call that? To look at it so they would know that what is the problem in my kidney. And they saw it in the result that my 2 kidneys are damaged na and I need to go to the dialysis. But we don't want, my family don't want, and I don't want to go through dialysis because I know what will happen to me, because my grandfather is also a dialysis patient and I was the one that who's taking care of him when he was alive pa, because now he's dead na. So ako yung nagbabantay sa kanya sa hospital, sinasamahan ko siya pag mag-dialysis siya. Sobrang hirap talaga nung sitwasyon ng lolo ko nung nag-dialysis siya. So alam ko na sobrang hirap ng dialysis. So hindi talaga ako papayag na mag-dialysis kasi sobrang bata ko pa. So when my kidney biopsy is done na, I get attacked with my disease because I have also a rapid immunodeficiency. My immune system can't function well because I'm too weak na because of my kidney disease. So sobrang hina ko nun. Pumayat talaga ako, sobrang payat ko. Mag-overlay ako ng picture dito kung ano yung katawan ko nun. I think inatake ako nung talaga, nahihirapan na talaga akong huminga, need ko na talaga ng oxygen, tapos gusto ko na talagang like that. Pero naawa talaga ako sa family ko, and I have a lot of dreams pa. Gusto ko pa vlogger, doctor. So I think it was April 3, guys, and I recover on April 7. April 7, bumalik yung katawan ko kasi when my family discovered that medicine, we call it STC30. When my family discovered this STC30, I've been feeling well na. My body energy are coming back. I can go to CR with my own na. I can dance na and everything else. But I have